What is up, YouTube fam? So today is going to be a very special unboxing and I want you guys to experience it with me. So I don't know if you guys can see in this corner, but I have GameCube and Wii controllers. So what do you think this would be? I'll give you a 1, 2, 3. You guessed it, it's a Wii. Now, I made a previous video that I got a black GameCube. It was modded with lights, but the thing crapped out on me. So I'm going to do another video on why I did that. And I might give that away. But for now, the main focus of this video is this bad boy right here. The red Super Mario Wii from 2010. So this thing's approaching 14 years old. And the guy bought it, surprisingly, had the box. And this was bought in Canada, so it took 2 days. Because I'm not paying customs. Because I know customs for this is like $100. I got it for a really good deal, but as you can see here, once I unbox it, I'll go over the accessories with it. But just bear with me. But let's get right into this. Now, in my previous unboxings, they usually put a crap load of paper, right? But let's see what this guy did. Maybe it won't be as bad. I'm going to be very careful, dude. Try not to cut my hand. Okay. All right. The favorite of them all. Bubble wrap. Okay. So, yeah. All right. He didn't put too much in. Not bad. Wow. He actually wrapped it pretty good. Okay. So, bubble wrap out. Throw that to the side. And there it is, the Wii. Mario Wii. Okay. Okay. Well, let's get... What else is in here? Anything else? Okay, nothing. Alright, let's get to the main event. Which will be the Super Mario Edition Wii console. Like I said, the Wii originally came out in 2006 alongside the PS3 and the Xbox 360. But we all know this was the best-selling console of that generation. And, the reason why is because it had such an innovative way that you would control your characters and stuff. And this was 2006. So before AI, before all this automated stuff that is today, right? Now, this is obviously outdated by a margin. It's over 10 years old. But this console was the best-selling one out of all three of those consoles. Now, regrettably, I've never owned a PS3. I've owned an Xbox 360. Very good console. So I plan to pick one up eventually down the line. But this console literally was my childhood alongside the GameCube I had, but this was more relevant. Like between when I was like 12, like pretty much 11 to 16, 17, and then I got rid of my Wii. I don't know what happened to it, so, but I did miss it. But let's get right into this. Okay, so he wrapped it pretty good. Now I'm going to do a shortcut and try to cut through this because, you know, I don't want to unwrap this for like 5 minutes without damaging the box. We're going to do it a little shortcut here. So, watch everybody. This is how you unbox the shortcuts. I'm teaching you all the shortcuts here. Like, see? Just tear it off. Instead of unwrapping it, blah, 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 blah. Just freaking literally tear it up like that and just slide the thing out. Oh my god, man, this is getting annoying. Anyways, let's chop this up. Should be good. Be careful. I want to be careful unboxing this because... Okay, wow, that did it. All right, cool. Now, I have big hands, so I can really grab this thing with one hand, as you can see. But, yeah. What's in here? Oh, that thing... Okay. Thanks. Okay. A little welcoming gift. All right. Now, for all of you wondering, I am shooting on my iPhone wide-angle lens because I got a lot to show here, so... Just bear with me. All right, so everything original is in this box, which I will get to right now. But he did throw a bonus game, Link's Crossbow Training. I never played that game, so I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, wow. I remember not professionally unboxing a Wii. I just literally tore it open when I was a kid and just started playing it. But I'm gonna do it really elegantly so we can see and share it together. So box 1. So we got to take out box 1, it's saying. So I'm going to take it out and see what's in here. Okay, now this is a really good condition Wii console, as you will not find a very, like, they're hard to come by. Look, we don't need to go through this, but yeah, look how thick the book was, just to know how to do a Wii console. It's irrelevant now because everything's online, but just check that out. You know? Crazy. Put that to the side. This game I've not played in 10 years, so I'm going to find joy in playing this. Oh, yeah. This came with every Wii console, so it's pretty good. Put that to the side. Now, this one. Personally, I've never played this, so I'm kind of excited to play it. Can't really think of anything else to say. The disc is in really good condition. Yeah, light scratches, but that doesn't mean nothing. Put that in there. So that's the game. In this game I was talking about, Link's Crossbow Training. Like, I don't really know what this game's about. And judging by the way it looks, the guy never really played it because there's no scratches on it, barely. So, whatever. But, it's fun. I did order a bunch of games like Super Smash Bros. Brawl, Metroid Prime, all the number one hitters for the console. So this, now, I want to point out, this thing I'm not going to be using because I got this little guy from Amazon, Wii to HDMI. So this makes this irrelevant. But it's good to have, so I'm going to keep it in here. The nunchuck I have right here, this is original. Also have another one over there, as you can see, but I don't think I'm going to need it. The sensor bar, this I'm definitely going to need. Definitely going to need this. And this I'm probably not going to use because I'm going to mount it flat. So we'll put this to the side. And yeah, that's this portion of the box. So let's put this aside and get into the second portion. Actually, maybe we can stuff this right in here because I won't be needing most of this stuff anyways. So we'll just slide this boy back in. Okay, so let's take out the second one. All right, this is the main event right here, the Wii. A lot of scratches, but it's over 10 years old. Don't expect it to be brand new. I don't really care about it as long as it works. But yeah, this connector is going to come in really handy. So if anybody who has a Wii, buy one of these because it'll save you a ton of headaches. And I did buy a controller, GameCube, aftermarket. Amazon literally has everything. This is the original controller from my other GameCube, which I will be using on my Wii. So I'm not gonna really say too much about that. That's all I gotta say. This is a special edition Wii controller. As you can tell, it's the Mario edition. Bottom line is my favorite one. They had a peach one, Bowser, Luigi, but I like the red one. It goes with the theme of the console. And as you guys can see, this one is basically the same, just without the Mario engravings and all that. So I'm going to take it out of the silicone case. Wow, everything's red. Like, you will not miss this console. You can literally see it. Purposely I got in red because I want to see, because everything I have is like black or whatever. I like colorful consoles. I don't really like boring black because everybody has a black console. So, old school way, right? I had to literally go out and buy these. So, I went to go buy these AA batteries. As you can see, right there. So, we're going to stuff them in and see if it works. Should work. But again, yeah, see? It's working. See the flashing lights? We'll sync this later when I hook it up, but this is just the unboxing. Yeah, so I'll just put this back in. If you guys remember, you know, this is how it was back in 06, 07, even up to 2010, roughly. I can remember that. But yeah, this guy had literally everything original. I'm going to look in the Wii in a second, but you guys can probably see something that I'm going to share with you shortly. Yeah, it's not bad. You had this to make sure when you're playing Wii Sports, you don't screw around with it. It's not too bad. Okay, so put that to the side. There again, here's the two controllers. Nunchuck. I got a blue one. So, it's whatever. I plan to do a lot of things with this Wii. A lot of colors going on here. Sorry if it's hurting your eyes, but you got this thing, this big old chunky adapter. And this is original. My Wii had aftermarket ones, which I did not. I mean, my GameCube had it. But yeah, this is the console roughly. Yeah. Okay, so there's deep scratches, which is fine. Like I said, it's probably going to be mounted like this, so I don't care. I care about this thing actually working. Yeah, so it's got the GameCube ports. You can put your memory card in, which instantly goes like this. Boom, done. See? So this is my new GameCube to replace my broken one. And this piece is missing, so I ordered it from Amazon. Should be coming in 2 weeks. Not really important because I'm going to mount it like this. But yeah, that's essentially the Wii. Is there more stuff down here? Oh, there isn't. But yeah, that is roughly the Wii console. Like I said, I originally owned one in 2008. That's when I got one. I remember vaguely some things about it. I know this thing has an SD card, which I have right here. This thing takes up to 32 gigabytes if you update it to the Wii Menu 4.3. Who knows if this thing can update? It's old, but I don't give a damn. I just gotta open this. Now, I got a test to do soon, so I'm not gonna be really playing games on it. But I got a bunch of GameCube games that I want to play on it. So that's the bottom line on that. And yeah, let's see if it goes in. Sticky bugger. Anyway, so real simple. You open this and you insert your SD card. Am I doing it right? No, other way. There, it's in. So there's the memory card. There's mine for the GameCube. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to set this up later. Like I said, I got a test to do, but I'm very, very excited that I was able to find one in good condition for a really good price. So I'm not complaining there. I mean, like, this is irrelevant. I just need the games. This is irrelevant. This is all outdated information, so that can go in there. But yeah, man, I'm just happy and excited that we get to finally, you know, play Wii. Yeah. When I figure it out, I'm going to probably stream on Twitch. I'm not too sure. But yeah, there is deep scratches here, which probably he had a cat or dog. It's funny. Every item I get literally was scratched by a dog or a pet. Because no human can do this. Like, why would someone just go like this on it, right? So obviously he had a pet and decided to crap out on it. But it's okay. It's all fine. Not too bad. It's good. This is the part that's going to be covered anyways. I'm gonna rest it flat. Probably like this. So it doesn't even matter. It'll fit right there. Yeah, so... thanks for watching my video, guys. Like I said, this is a trip down memory lane. I got a bunch more stuff coming. I got Metroid, Super Smash Bros, Kirby. There's another game I used to play. Mario Sluggers is another one. But yeah, I essentially got it because, like I said, my GameCube crapped out, so I don't have time to fix it. So this is the next best replacement. And if this doesn't work with GameCube, then I have to buy a Wii U and mod it to play GameCube games. So I'm hoping I don't have to do that, but if I have to, I will. But anyways, guys, this concludes my video. Peace out and enjoy the content. All right, later.